My name's Veronica Wastillo. I'm a steam plant assistant at Harbor Generating Station of the Los Angeles Department of Water and Power. So a steam plant is where we generate the electricity that you use on a daily basis. So my daily duties as a steam plant assistant are to do a visual inspection, also known as rounds, on all the equipment inside the generating station. Aside from my personal protective equipment, I carry a two-way radio, a valve wrench, and wire clippers, flashlight, and clipboard. I wanted to be a steam plant assistant because it's a job where you're not bound to a desk. And it's also a job where you're trained on the job. So it's a constant learning environment. And so you have to be prepared to want to learn every day. It's not a routine job. No day is never the same. So I really like that about the job. It can get a little noisy and dirty, but that's not something we deal with on a daily basis. It's a challenging job. It can be physically challenging as well as mentally challenging, and that's something that attracted me to the job. So one of the great things about the Department of Water and Power is there's a ton of promotional opportunities. So it's an endless possibility if that's something that you're looking for. I just wanted to have a job where I was continuously learning, to be totally honest with you. That's what attracted me to the job.